Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be comparing pretty much all of the DanKeeps Creamery switches, including the brand new birthday cake switches that just came out a few days ago, as well as the DK Iced Lattes. The only switches I won't be looking at in this video are the Halo Hollow ones, as well as all of their milk switches, as I just don't have those. But anyways, let's get straight into it, and I hope you enjoy. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Overall, my favorite switches are definitely gonna have to be the blueberry swirls. The factory lubing on those are fantastic. My biggest disappointment was the iced lattes for sure. I was super excited with those switches when I originally got them. However, I just found the factory lubing wasn't adequate, and it was definitely not quote unquote hand lubed. So bit disappointing there, but otherwise all these options are a pretty good choice. Just kind of go with your sound profile, and remember that sound tests aren't always the most definitive thing to select your switches, because mics change the sound of things. What you're hearing from a microphone probably won't sound exactly the same in real life, so do just keep that in mind. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.